Hey, what's up everyone? Just wanted to show you something with the washer in my Whirlpool. For some odd reason, it stopped working. What would happen is it would fill up with water, and once it got to the top, it just stopped. Doesn't matter where I put this dial. I pulled it out, pushed it in anywhere, it just wouldn't work. I didn't know what was going on with it. It could have been a number of things. The clicker was clicking when I was shutting the lid, but it didn't click as loud. I don't know if the lid warped or whatnot, but funny thing is when I took the lid off and pushed this down even more, it clicked louder, and it now works with the lid off. So just a tip: if your Whirlpool messes up, the clicker on this version anyway, some clickers are in the actual internal part. You open the lid, shut it, and then it starts working. But now it works because I pushed this all the way down. Open the lid, it stops, and you shut it. It gets going. So it's a temporary fix for right now. Look, there we go. I need to get something to press. There we go. It must not be connecting all the way in there or something, as you see, but it's a temporary fix, and we'll be getting a new washer and dryer soon. The dryer's fine, but still, this thing looks ugly and terrible. But hey, it works. Now we can wash clothes until we get some new ones. But just a little tip: if it's not working, take the lid off, try it that way, and get it going. Alright, talk to you guys later.